Meet the Fortress 2-burner tabletop grill from Nexgrill, the go-anywhere grill with an attachable multi-function griddle plate that's always ready to fire up something new. With a heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant cast aluminum lid and firebox, the Fortress is a rugged and portable grill that's built to last. When you're ready to cook, just push and turn the ergonomic knobs and let the built-in ignition do the rest. Two independently controlled 304-grade stainless steel burners offer up to 13,500 BTUs of flame roasting energy for rapid and intense, yet controlled heating. This grill's cooking surface is equipped with durable porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids, built to retain heat and produce professional grill marks. Also included is a heavy-duty Gourmet Plus griddle plate, which attaches easily and opens a whole new world of on-the-go grilling possibilities. However you choose to fire up, 263 square inches of cooking space creates enough room for everyone's favorites. And an easy-to-read built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation for a perfect cook every time. When grill time is over and your Fortress is fully cooled, a removable rear access grease cup keeps cleanup simple. From there, the Fortress lifts and stows easily thanks to its ergonomic handles. Between cookouts, a domed lid protects the main burners from wear and tear, and a 5-year main burner warranty ensures long-lasting performance for many grill adventures to come. Ready to make the world your backyard? Now you can grill, sear, and sizzle anywhere with the Fortress 2-burner tabletop grill from Nexgrill.